What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S give you another reaction. Welcome, people. What I do? Yo, big up the new subscribers, them first and foremost. I appreciate you guys being here. Big up the original subscribers, them that's been holding it down and supporting the channel. Big up on yourself also. But today we are react to Huncho Overpriced. This junk dropped a day ago and it's nearly like 1 million views, I think. So we are gonna react to it. There's some controversial thing that has been going on in the socials with this guy. Apparently, because him rap and wearing mask and hide him identity, apparently somebody leak a photo or something. I didn't look too much into it because I'm not interested. I'm interested in the music, not interested in the controversial side of things. You understand? Unless it's war, unless it's clash. You understand? So we are here with this one. Let's jump straight tonight. But before we do that, please check out my socials. Especially my Twitch, guys. I do stream on Twitch and I do stream on YouTube. I do video games in. I understand that's my name, Jamaica's Rest Gamer. But yeah, guys, let's jump straight tonight. And before we do that, let's do this. Alright, now you've liked before you watch. Please make sure you do that. Make sure you do that. Let's jump straight tonight. We are gonna pause every 10 seconds. So let's go. Let's get it.
Late night, standing at the drapes, checking news outside, sign in the place.
Woo, this is a banger. This is a banger. Let's go again. No, I'm sorry. Let's go again, guys. Let's go again. This is a banger.
Late night, standing at the drapes, checking news outside, sign in the place. Fell till I climb, learn from my mistakes.
What? Yo. This is the first time I'm reacting to this guy's song. Man.
Didn't do it twice. Someone too concerned, probably my worth. Huncho's overpriced.
Can somebody tell me a little about this guy in the comment section, please? I don't know much about him. Can somebody tell me a little about him, please? He's singing, but he's using a lot of auto-tune. It still sound good. You know when some people use auto-tune and it doesn't sound good, this one does sound good. You understand? So, let's carry on anyway. Let's go.
Come on, people by my side. So we shine like we flawless. I can never be a tourist. Washed up odors, man, I just ignore them.
You hear that? Washed up elders, just ignore them. So, you gotta have some elders that's gonna be saying, listen, don't do the music that we do it. They said, no, things and times change. Your time was your time. You got your 24 hours. Leave me and leave our team to do what we are doing to gain our 24 hours also. That is what the G is saying. And this is a good way of silencing the haters by just dropping a song and just, just dropping a song and just ripping it up. Yeah, like it.
Who's important? No, tell me who's important. Opinions from people that look like they still have their backs in their rooms, their bums.
The man say, opinions from people that still look like them have them bicycle in them room, they're bums. Them is nobody. Them a time waster. Dog. Like, don't come here with the opinion, brother. It means nothing. Let's go.
Opinions from people that look like they still have their backs in their rooms, their bums. I cannot give them no room enough.
It's facts. It's facts, guys. If you're not... Look at it like this. If you're not in a relationship, you cannot give anybody relationship advice because you're not in a relationship. You've never been in a relationship. You've been a wild dog. You've never been in a relationship, so you cannot give anybody. So you with nothing not going for you. You can't give me no constructive criticism, no advice, no nothing. Go away, bro. Don't. You're a fool. Let's go.
It ain't easy what I do. I never claim me set. I still get rid of the food. Hydraulic presses turn 1 into 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2.
Ooh, hydraulic press turn 1 into 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So basically, he's telling you what the level of the street game is on. He's using hydraulic press, and once you're using 𝐻𝐍 press, you're talking about big food. You're talking about weights. You're talking about keys. Yeah. Not talking about no ounces. Yo, let's go.
For my God and the trust in my brothers, they hate when I'm really just not in my mood. So when I'm let down and feeling upset, they wanna go do 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 do.
Huh? Wait.
Faith in my God and the trust in my brothers, they hate when I'm really just not in my mood. So when I'm let down and feeling upset, they wanna go do 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 do.
Basically, my set. Whenever he feel offended or feel down or feel let down, him crew, him friend them round him, him brother them round him, just want to go do. Just shoot at the place. Just shoot at the place. Want to make him head hurt him. The whole, everybody want to shoot at the place. That's some madness and that's some loyalty. Like, if a fly pitch pan you, them want to kill the fly. That's madness, bro.
I do not cap in my rap, it's a fact, but the question is, brothers, do you? I'm driving something exotic, I don't really check for none of these pics in my view.
Bro, you know what I tell you? He's driving something exotic, he not care about any of these pricks in his views. And next thing the man said to you, the man said, listen, me not tell no lie in my rap. Anything me rap about, it's facts. No, it's no cap. It's no cap, guys. Yo, Huncho, big up yourself.
I'm trying to vision a man on a mission. I'm still in the kitchen, I am. They give flowers to people who don't even own a vase.
His lyrics are effective. You can't give flowers to people who don't own a vase. The flowers are gonna dead. The flowers is gonna die. Cause the flowers need water. And for you to put it in water, you need a vase feed. Jeez, I'm crying. Let me go. Let's go.
We sat down on tables and had debates. I'm good, I'm alright, I'm built this way. I'm a nape, I'm straight by a house by the lake. They still live at their mums on the council estate.
I'm good, I'm straight. I'm sorted. I'm a horse. By the lakeside. You still live on the council estate with your mother. There's nothing wrong with living on the council estate with your mother, but do not try to live the fast life. Do not try to give me any advice, bro. You're not on my level, bro. Just hold your own, bro. Hold your own, dog. It's not hard, brother. Hold your own. Like, really and truly, let's go.
And I'm wise when I make my decisions, cause getting caught is all long, so it's prison. Gotta think about all the past and the present. Separate the days, now I'm grown, I ain't kidding.
The growth. Huncho, big up yourself, my G. I'm really impressed with this one. Now I see why the views are climbing. Like, you're climbing a mango tree or you're climbing a coconut tree. I see it. I see why. Yeah.
Everything's got a price. Everybody's got a fate. Everybody's gonna die. I'm just waiting for the day.
It's facts. There's one thing you're sure of. Once you're born, there's one thing you're sure of is death. One thing you're sure of is death. Once you become an adult and live in certain country, next thing you're sure of is paying taxes. Try to know that you have to pay tax somewhere, some farm, somewhere or another. Once you have a job, a 9 to 5, you have to pay tax. Man, let's go. Yo, what a way to silence the haters. Like I said earlier, what a way to silence the haters by just dropping a song, a banger too. Not just any song, a banger, guys. This is a banger. This is a banger.
Couldn't see, tell it. Bread, butter, Hovis. That's what I'm getting to.
It's all about his money. Bread, butter, Hovis. Hovis are the brand bread in England. Bread, butter, Hovis. That's all I care about. I don't care about nobody. Cash.
I like my money toasted. I like it folded. Clean, rubber folded.
I don't like his money folded. You see it? Yeah. Hold it for money.
I applaud it.
See how we have at the end? See how we have at the end? Yeah, Groundworks. Big up Groundworks. Big up Groundworks, guys. Yeah, guys. Big up Groundworks. Big up Groundworks. Big up Groundworks. Mad track. Huncho, big up yourself, my G. The first direct order you sang them. Big up all the new subscribers them again. Appreciate you know. On our help the channel grow. Big up on yourself. I do pause every 10 seconds over here, as you can see. So that is what we do over here. We break down stuff. Alright, guys? We break down stuff. And guys, please again remember to follow the socials. The socials are above your head, above my head right now. Yeah? Alright, guys. So this is where I'm gonna end the video. If you like the video, don't forget to like the video. It's not too late. It's not too late. Yeah? And don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Because I know a lot of you guys watch and don't subscribe. But big up on yourself, see me. Appreciate the views. You understand? So, without further delay, let's just jump off and get away. Peace.